What is this? Go stay next to it so that we can see how big it is. It's pretty nice and straight. That is a tall, straight tree. Goes way up. That's nice. It's a pine tree. There's some big trees in here. We saw another huge oak tree. It was way up into the sky. Huge. There's some massive trees in here for real. Oh my word, really? So I'm gonna have to try to go down there and take a picture of it. Wow, how old is that tree? Yeah. Tree hugger. He's hugging the tree. That is big. So should we walk down there one way or the other to look at it? Or is there anything to look at? Okay.
What's interesting is I think it comes out under that triple black birch. That's probably cool to see, I bet.
Let's go down there. What's that little tree? Whoa! I didn't catch it. I was worried I'm gonna do it, and then you did it. Like, what's this?
Beach.
Yeah. Ooh, it is slippery. Right.
It's the son of a beach.
Oh my word, this is so cool. Okay, wait a minute. Wow.
You want to get closer to that?
No, I don't think.
I can pull this branch out of the way.
Yeah, maybe. Or I can go down there, I guess. Probably should go down there. What? There's like a... This is old.
Yeah.
Look at that. The tree's growing right up over it. See the stone under there? The water's almost up to the top. Wonder how big this was. What do you think? Wow. All right. Hold on, tree holder. What is this tree right here?
Which one?
This one with the bark.
Black birch.
Black birch. Look at the bark on that. It's the old bridge. Big, huge tree from the other angle.